Hey everybody, in today's video, you are in for a treat as I found new promo codes for Shein that help take 70% off your entire order. The new coupon page I found has tons of different brands with verified codes that will 100% work no matter where you're from. So yeah, I'm ordering 18 items for a fraction of the cost, and although I still have to pay tax, it's a considerable amount being saved. So now I'll share exactly how I went about getting this discount so you can get the same deal on your order. Okay, so first step is getting your phone and open up any browser, then heading over to Google and searching for Foxy coupons, which will be the first result shown. Once you're on their coupon page, you'll notice they have the top deals of the day, which I believe updates weekly, so you'll always find fresh new offers. Okay, second step is to scroll down until you spot the Shein logo. Give it a tap, and that'll take you to all of the current verified codes that are available for your next Shein purchase. You'll find everything from 40% off when you order 4 items, as well as BOGO deals and credit towards your entire cart. But since I went with the deal that I personally think is the best, I'll show you how to get started with that one. So all you've got to do is click the Show Coupon button to start the process. You'll see some hashed codes, which means the code is locked. You just need to finish the next steps to get your code. Next, tap the Unlock Code button, and that's where the process begins. You'll earn the discount rewards through Google Play or the App Store depending on device. But trust me, it's super simple, guys. The instructions are super easy, like running a game for 30 seconds or reaching a specific level within a game. After completing 3 of them, head back to Foxy Coupons to reveal your exclusive promo code, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and happy saving.